Welcome to Unlock Your Emotional Freedom, Powerful Healing Meditation Techniques. I'm delighted to have you join us today as we embark on a journey towards emotional liberation and inner healing. In this immersive video, we will explore a variety of powerful techniques that will help you release emotional baggage, find inner peace, and experience a deeper level of healing. Emotions have a profound impact on our overall well-being, and by understanding and addressing them, we can regain control of our lives. Our emotions are a vital part of who we are and can significantly impact our daily lives. Sometimes, they can become overwhelming, trapping us in a cycle of negativity and preventing us from living our best lives. But fear not. With the power of healing meditation techniques, we can break free and unlock our emotional freedom. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey together. Healing Technique 1. Mindful Breath Awareness. To begin our journey towards emotional freedom, we start with a fundamental technique, mindful breath awareness. By focusing on our breath, we can bring our attention to the present moment and quiet the chaotic thoughts that often consume us. Let's try it together. Healing Technique 2. Emotional Release Meditation. In this next technique, we delve deeper into emotions and practice emotional release meditation. By acknowledging and allowing ourselves to feel our emotions fully, we create space for healing and release. Join us as we tap into the power of this transformative practice. Healing Technique 3. Visualization and Affirmations. Our thoughts have a significant influence on our emotions. In this technique, we explore the power of visualization and positive affirmations. Through the use of vivid imagery and uplifting statements, we can reprogram our minds and cultivate emotional well-being. Get ready to unlock your inner strength. Healing Technique 4. Loving Kindness Meditation. Show yourself some kindness. This technique, known as loving kindness meditation, teaches us to extend compassion, love, and forgiveness towards ourselves and others. By embracing this practice, we break free from negative emotions that hold us back and enhance our emotional freedom. People practicing loving kindness meditation, imagery depicting compassion and forgiveness. Healing Technique 5. Energy Healing. Our beings are composed of energy, and sometimes this energy can become unbalanced, affecting our emotional state. In this final technique, we explore the world of energy healing, where we tap into divine energy to restore balance and release emotional blockages. Discover the power of this ancient practice and unlock the emotional freedom that awaits you. Congratulations on completing this powerful journey towards unlocking your emotional freedom. We hope these healing meditation techniques have provided you with valuable tools to bring positive change into your life. Remember, emotional freedom is within your reach. With continued practice and dedication, you can free yourself from the chains of negativity and experience the joy of living in a state of emotional liberation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative quest.